Okay. Well,
Did you have it off? Is it on now?
it's on now. So
Oh, I thought it was off. Okay, camera woman, tell me when the camera's on. She was trying to tell me the paint roller seemed to be shedding a little bit. You've got your construction light on. If you see anything that comes off, you can reach down there and grab it, or you can leave it, and then once this is all dry, you can take a putty knife, let's say, in one or two areas, and lightly pull anything off. But if you got a brand new roller cover, this was not a brand new roller cover, but and it was matted down pretty much, so I didn't think any lint was going to come off it. So you can take some masking tape and you just run it on here when this is dry with the masking tape on there and try to pull any lint off, because you don't want your cover to keep leaching lint. Okay, so see now I'm working out towards the door, so now I can come this direction here. Shake this up. I'm gonna pour a little bit more on there. Just be careful as you're pouring it, because if you're not careful and you're up too high, it can hit there, splash out, get up on your wall, get on your baseboard. I know. Trust me. I know. Because I've done it. And I got it up there kind of close. I don't want to roll it towards the base, because then I can leave an edge of that. So I'm going to take it behind the base and pull it back. That's why you don't want to get up too close with too much on your roller at any one time. See, I depressed that a little bit and got more sealer on the floor, but I'm going to pull it back this way and move it over there. Now you don't have as much on the roller. And I know I'm not going to build up this edge next to the baseboard where I cut it in. Okay? Just get this area saturated. Pressing it a little bit harder to get the last little bit off. If I think it needs a little bit more, I can just tap it. I just tapped it one time, and I've got enough on there to kind of put a little bit of extra on there. Now I can go back over it. Same pressure. Nice even. Where it ties into where I stopped it before. And now if I want, I can just lightly go over it. See, I'm just using the roller now, not even putting any pressure on it. That's taking any of the lines off. If you didn't do this, chances are those lines are not going to show anyways. But if you're concerned about it, this is how you're going to cover them. Right like that. Try to keep that a little bit away from the baseboard so I don't splash up there with my roller. You see a theme here? All we're doing is the same thing over and over. If you've never done this before, you'll get the hang of it really quick. And like I say, you do not have to be a painter for this. If you've never done anything with a paint roller before, that's okay. You don't have to. In fact, I think the owner could even do this. What do you think? Do you think you could do this? Have you seen enough of me doing this to think, man, this looks pretty easy?
yes, I can.
Yeah, so I think you could. Next time, how about if I run the camera and you run the roller?
Great idea, Joe.
And the beauty of doing stuff yourself like this, when you get done, you get to look at it and stand back and admire it and like, wow, I didn't think I could do that. Look at that. Stuff like this will make you encouraged to think that you can fix something else around your house that you didn't think you could. You just keep watching my channel. Any videos that I show by Joe, I think you'll be able to do it yourself too. I'm just an average Joe showing you how to do different projects. And if I can do it, you can do